So we have a planning agent here today where you can just drop in all the context about your features like PRDs and screenshots, Figma, screenshots, etc., everything. And then it'll help you generate deep practical test cases like a senior QA would do. Let's go ahead and try it out. I have already uploaded a PRD here on the Supatest platform, so I can just add mention that here, and I also can add mention test cases that I've created if I have any, so that it helps accuracy and create variations of that. Now I can just simply put in a prompt and it will reason through the whole scenario and give me a bunch of test cases. We have voice mode as well, so that you can just speak to the agent directly, and you have plan and write modes to help you plan your test cases and also help you automate them. So as you can see, it has generated a bunch of these variations with all the data already generated for you. So you can just go ahead and add these test cases to a folder or test suite on Supatest, and then automate using our automation agent. That's all for today. Watch out for the releases.